Right. And I don't think it can really be said enough that most particular on any catastrophe deployment, but very particularly on hurricanes and major cat deployments, you cannot work for more than one company at a time. You absolutely cannot do it. If you do it, I mean, maybe you're some kind of superstar and you can, but chances are you're going to be, 40 claims to start. And if you're doing well, if you're closing claims, right, they're going to give you 40 more. I mean, they're going to keep piling stuff on you. So you don't need to like try to stack them with other, because there's not enough time in the day. And plus that, maybe they send you to, we're finish up the 17 we just sent you and drive, we're going to move you 6 hours down the beach. But you still have stuff in this area right here where you're at. Don't do it. Yeah. Do not do it. You can do it on daily. Like if you live in, pick a town, right? And maybe you live in Western Kentucky or Western Nebraska or something, and there aren't a lot of adjusters there. You're not going to have a whole lot of volume from one company at a time, but so you can stack those, right? So you might get 1 or 2 or 3 claims a month from each IA firm, and you just stack them up until you got a nice load to keep you busy, right? And you can do really, really well doing daily. And I'll tell you what, when they put you on standby, and you're a daily adjuster, and you want to like make the best of the storm, I would say no, I'm here, I'm doing dailies, right? Because everybody else is going to leave, and your volume is going to go up, your production is going to have to go up, because there's more, there's going to be a lot more stuff for you to do at home, and you could be really, really busy, and then and if you're able to handle it, then you're able to make a bigger name for yourself, and the next thing, those guys want to come back, and then, I'm handling it, Matt's got it, right? Yeah. So there's 2 ways to do the hurricane thing, and you can chase them, and if that's all you want to do, like in the downtime, you go to the beach, or you go visit family, or you just want to sit on the lawn chair on the front porch, that's fine, but I would say, pick one or the other. Hey, Mr. Insured, how's it going?
It's going great today. How are you doing?
Good. This is actually Guy Grand from Veteran Adjusting School.
So you want to learn claims from the most experienced veteran adjusters, but you can't find anybody who will let you ride along with them? Then let me tell you about AdjusterTV Plus. Developed by AdjusterTV and its industry partners, including the high-end Training Center Veterans Adjusting School in Arizona, AdjusterTV Plus is a growing library of in-depth training videos created just for independent adjusters. Learn scoping and estimating from professional trainers and adjusters. Learn how to handle customer interactions with confidence. Learn the ins and outs of scoping and estimating exterior hail claims. And coming soon, detailed videos about how to handle smoke, ice dam, water claims, and auto claims. AdjusterTV Plus also features the very best of 3 years of AdjusterTV's YouTube videos, ad-free. Educational, entertaining, and inspiring. Come right along with us on AdjusterTV Plus.